How to use promo code in Grabcar. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use promo code in Grabcar. First, open your Grab app on your mobile device. Now, from the home page, tap on the car option. Next, select your destination by entering the location in the Where To search bar. After that, confirm your pickup location by tapping on Choose this pickup. Here, tap on the Offers or Promo section. This is where you can enter your promo code. Simply type in the code and hit Apply to make sure it's accepted. Finally, tap on Book Just Grab to confirm your ride with the promo code applied. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.